SuJok therapy is one of the best ways to get rid of all physical, emotional and mental diseases. Just by applying pressure on specific points on the hands and feet. SuJok acupressure opens the blocked channels and improves the blood and energy circulation in the area affected. SuJok acupressure is worldwide accepted for its quick results and healing chronic problems. Many problems such as cervical, back pain, frozen shoulder, constipation, headache, migraine, urinary problems, heart problems, eye problems, gas, acidity, joints pain, arthritis, uric acid, cholesterol, prostate, legs pain, cramps and many other problems can be cured through SuJok therapy. We have special treatment for height gain through SuJok therapy by applying magnets and colors on specific points on hands. Thousands of children have been helped by this treatment for the growth of their height. We have a dedicated team of SuJok acupressure therapists who provide healing sessions at our center, and we also provide home sessions to the patients who cannot visit us. We use color therapy, seed therapy, magnet therapy, MOXA fusion, electroacupuncture, needling, cupping and other supporting modalities to give the client maximum and fastest results. SuJok therapy courses are also provided from basic to advanced at our center. Contact us. SuJok Therapy Center, Karachi, Pakistan. Dr. Mohammed Zakir Kothari. Mohammed Rizwan Kothari. SuJok and ONNURI medicine experts. Contact number 0334383683. Web, www.sujokpakistan.com. Email, sujokpakistan@yahoo.com.